Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Viking Beard Beads is probably one of the most iconic and versatile accessories for any man looking to elevate his beard game, offering a unique blend of historical significance and modern style that can transform a simple beard into a statement piece, allowing for unparalleled personal expression and a touch of rugged sophistication that speaks volumes about the wearer's personality and appreciation for craftsmanship. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Brush Set. Tired of unruly facial hair? Introducing the ultimate grooming solution designed to tame and style your beard with ease. Achieve a polished look every day. Crafted with high-quality materials, this set includes both a durable comb and an effective brush. They are built to last and provide exceptional grooming performance. The comb glides through your beard, detangling knots and smoothing stray hairs. The brush works to distribute natural oils, promoting a healthier, fuller appearance. Whether you have a short stubble or a long, flowing beard, this set is designed to meet your grooming needs. It effectively handles all hair types and lengths. Keep your grooming essentials organized and protected wherever you go. The included velvet pouch makes it perfect for travel or keeping your vanity tidy. Experience the difference that quality grooming tools can make. Elevate your beard game and feel confident with a perfectly groomed beard. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive solution for beard grooming on the go. Its natural boar bristles ensure effective detangling and styling. If you prioritize convenience and natural materials for your daily beard care routine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them. They are easy to put in and take out of your beard. The designs are intricate and look great. Number 4. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Introducing the Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit, a complete solution for your beard care needs. This 5-piece set comes in a stylish metal box, making it perfect for any man. Looking for the perfect holiday gift? This Ultimate Beard Care Kit is exactly what your man needs to look his best. It's the ideal present for any occasion. Achieve a perfectly groomed beard with this comprehensive set. It includes a brush, comb, oil, balm, and scissors for detangling, trimming, moisturizing, and styling. Get incredible value with this grooming set. We've combined our best beard and mustache care products into one fantastic package at an amazing price. This portable kit is ideal for anyone with a beard or mustache, or those looking to grow one. All the essentials are conveniently packed in a travel-friendly metal gift box. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply reach out to us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one package for any bearded individual. It includes everything from detangling tools to styling balms and even scissors for precision trimming. If you're looking for a perfect gift or a comprehensive starter kit that covers all your beard care needs, this metal boxed set is ideal. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them. They are easy to put in and take out of your beard. The designs are intricate and look great. Number 3. Viking Revolution Beard Wash and Conditioner Set. Discover the ultimate grooming experience with Viking Revolution. Our premium beard wash and conditioner set is designed to cleanse and soften your beard. Infused with a rich sandalwood fragrance, this set leaves your beard smelling incredible and feeling remarkably smooth. The gentle wash effectively removes dirt and impurities without stripping natural oils, ensuring a healthy beard. Follow up with our nourishing conditioner to deeply moisturize and tame unruly hairs, making styling a breeze. Achieve a softer, healthier, and more manageable beard with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your daily grooming routine. Each bottle contains 5 ounces of our high-quality formula, providing ample supply for regular use. What we like. Experience a superior clean and conditioning for your beard with this specialized wash and conditioner set. The sandalwood scent offers a sophisticated aroma. If you suffer from dry or unruly beard hair and desire a refreshing, masculine fragrance, this duo is perfect for you. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them, making them feel substantial and durable. The intricate designs on the beads are stunning and add a unique touch to my beard. They are easy to slide onto the beard and stay in place without slipping. Number 2. Viking Revolution Spiced Vanilla Beard Balm. Discover the ultimate grooming experience with our premium beard balm. It's crafted to nourish and style your beard to perfection. Enjoy the warm and inviting aroma of spiced vanilla. This unique fragrance adds a touch of sophistication to your daily routine. Formulated with natural ingredients, it helps to condition your beard and skin. Say goodbye to dryness and itchiness. Easily tame flyaways and style your beard just the way you like it. Achieve a polished and well-groomed look effortlessly. This convenient 2-ounce jar is perfect for home or travel. Keep your beard looking its best wherever you go. Experience the quality and craftsmanship that Viking Revolution is known for. Elevate your beard game today. What we like. Achieve the perfect beard style with this nourishing balm. Its spiced vanilla scent adds a unique, warm fragrance. If you need to tame flyaways, add hold, and moisturize your beard while enjoying a pleasant, subtle scent, this balm is a great addition to your grooming arsenal. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them. They are easy to put in and take out of your beard. The designs are intricate and look great. Number 1. Viking Revolution Wooden Beard Comb and Case. Discover the Viking Revolution Wooden Beard Comb. Crafted from natural wood, it offers a gentle grooming experience for your beard. This comb is designed for life on the go. Its compact size makes it perfect for your pocket, ensuring your beard stays neat wherever you are. Effortlessly tame flyaways and style your beard with its fine-tooth design. Achieve a polished look with every stroke. It comes with a protective case, keeping your comb safe and clean when not in use. Maintain its quality and be ready for any touch-ups. Experience the difference of a quality wooden comb. It's the essential tool for any man looking to maintain a well-groomed beard. What we like. This wooden comb offers a gentle and effective way to detangle and style your beard. Its durable wood construction prevents static and breakage. If you appreciate natural materials and need a reliable, portable comb that comes with its own protective case for easy transport, this is the perfect choice for maintaining your beard anywhere. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them, making them feel substantial and high quality. The intricate designs on the beads are stunning and add a unique touch to my beard. They are easy to slide onto the beard and stay in place throughout the day without slipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.